Alright, so I'm going to proceed to open this package and tear up this sealed nylon, and you can see, here we go. Alright, so it's sealed. I'm just gonna open it from the back side just in case I need to return it. Oh, wonderful. So we have a card here, 12 months warranty. If anything is to happen to it, or if there's any issue or fault identified with this earpiece, I can return it to Oraimo Car Care service. And yeah, so that is basically it. This is the user manual, and yeah, so you can take your time and go through it, but that's not what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to proceed to bring out this wonderful device. We can see we have here our USB cable, USB Type-C cable, and let's proceed to open it. Alright, so just the Type-C to USB mount, and that's just it. Then the product itself. Guys, this looks beautiful. I'll just proceed to bring it out. So it has two variations, black and white variations, and this is the white. Sorry, this is the black. This is the black variation of it. There's a little bit of scratch behind, but it's a glossy finish on its surface, and you can see, wow, this is beautiful. Beautiful. And this. Alright, so you have the Type-C USB ports. You can use and recharge this, and that's it. Designed by Itel. It looks beautiful. So this has a nylon wrap here. We're gonna remove it, and keep it here for now. And this other one as well. And I'll keep it here for now. So guys, this is beautiful. So I'm going to proceed to test it out and see how it performs.